What's going on, Melissa? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, and see if there's anything we can do to help. And so I did look, obviously, a little bit in the behind the scenes. I'm very impressed. So I do like your logo over here. Services is a drop-down menu. I'm really happy about that. You got a portfolio, a process, about, contact us, and a blog. The blog might, kind of blur things up, but like I said, I looked in the back end. You're fine. Get a free quote. You have your number over here. That's excellent. If you wanted to save room, you can get rid of this little green spot and put your number down next to the get a free quote. I like this over here. A lot of people don't have it and they're making a huge mistake, so good for you. Your trusted Denver paint contractors. Awesome. That's a keyword, by the way, so good for you guys. Just scrolling through, you're doing great. Recent Denver house painting project, that's fine. Although I do want to see what happens when I do this. This lets me know how well done it was. Okay, I mean, there's room for improvement, but not going to say anything. Um, why choose Paint Denver? Hassle free, commitment, 7 year, quality committed, get a free quote. Excellent. Okay. Exterior residential, so you have links to other things. I would say the Paint Denver difference. You're doing fine here. Project management, friendly paint. Just kind of scrolling through areas we serve. So, if people do come here, I used to live in Lakewood, not in Colorado, but somewhere else. Recent service projects on the blog, different things. Okay, so the only thing I can say is, I mean, there's nothing wrong with Hughes. I'm gonna assume that you guys use them to advertise a little bit. There's nothing wrong with that. I would probably take a look and see if you can just, I mean, add more content to this. Where is it? Come on. Oh, it's lower to your services. So when you have a service on your front page that you're talking about, you definitely want to add content there. It gives you the ability to add a little bit more keywords. So let's take a look at the back end over here. Right now, this is basically how much Google likes you. UR rating is, your trust in Google, how much they like your website. And the DR rating is how much Google will point people in your direction, more or less. You have 5,160 backlinks and 1,004 domains, which is excellent, or 1,040 domains. You also have 2.8 thousand keywords. So let's take a look at what those keywords are. Now, a backlink is, I mean, I don't even know if I need to explain this. You have so many of them. But a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else where somebody can click on it. Referring domain is when it returns to you. Obviously, there are some spammy ones like BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. Definitely want to stay away from those. Now, keywords are, I already looked. So Paint Denver, that's your name. It's a great keyword to have. I don't know how you got your name as Paint Denver. Maybe you've been around long enough where you were able to pick it. But as you can see, there's a volume of it, and you're getting the highest amount of traffic. You're getting about almost, 30% here, maybe 40%. 350 is 50%, so about 35% because you're in position number one. It's a huge difference when you're in position one. Denver painting, 700 people a month search for it. You're getting 102 of those people, which is what, 13, 14%. And you're in position three for that. So you are doing excellent. I don't even think I could help you. I mean, there are ways you can get more. I mean, if you wanted to look at others, but even the one I put in over here, right? Painters Denver, Colorado, you're number 9 for that. Where is it? I saw it somewhere over here. Painting in Denver. Painter Denver Co. Painters in Denver. Something like this. So you're doing really well. Honestly speaking, I don't think there's anything I can really help you with. The only thing is when you put in certain keywords, obviously certain people, or depending on which one you put in, are going to show up more than you. So right over here, you got Imperial Painters. They're the one who are beating you in this area. I mean, I don't even know why I'm even doing a comparison. You are doing a phenomenal job. Home, they have a drop down menu as well. They have an about us, service areas, contact us. Interesting. Need your house painted. They have just about Denver painting companies. Check out our reviews. So they don't talk about their stuff either. Which is something you always want to do. You want to talk about the services you have. You want people to scroll, see, and then go for the next one. Oh, that was weird. Anyway, so their backend is almost similar to yours. They have a 33 UR and a 43 DR. Now you want them to be in the 30s and 40s. They have a lot less backlinks than you do, but they're still doing pretty good for what they're doing. Now, my opinion on organic keywords is basically what a buyer intent keyword is. For example, right? These are service specific and location specific, and that's exactly what you want. And those are how Google ads are created as well. But let's take a look at their organic keywords. So they're beating you in Painter Denver. They have 700. They're in spot number 4. I think you're beating them. a lot of these are very hard to rank for, and they're ranking for a lot of these. Painters Denver, Painters in Denver, 500, 500. They're getting what, maybe a little 12, maybe 11%, 10.5%. So overall, I mean, you're competing with them. There are things you can beat them at. I don't know if it's, if you want to. Definitely a good start would be to add content to your front page simply by talking about each one of these different things over here. You can add more keywords simply by adding them into pictures. So if you have a picture on your website, which you always want because that's free keywords you can place in here, if you have the save link as and it just comes up as download, you can switch it over to an actual keyword and start ranking for that as well. Anyway, Melissa, that's all I got. Like I said, I don't think there's anything I can really help you guys with. You have done an excellent job. If you want to rank higher for other types of keywords, that's another story. You can always reach out. But other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.